We just finished work for the weekend, so my allotment this morning, sausage morning. Just having a check what's growing on it all, what's flowering and that. That foxglove, it's massive, it's as tall as me. And black lilies are threatening to open. And this jasmine started flowering. There you go. So it should be nice smelling at night here. That penstemons flowered. That's off. That brush there, that's full of flower, pink flowers. That's a little clematis from my mate. Oh, just bang my head on that umbrella. Nothing on them lilies yet, but these ones here, these red ones, they're all ready for bursting open. And I can't remember the name of that plant, but it's nice. That climbing rose has started flowering. That's climbing all the way up there now, that. So that honeysuckle, full of flowers. So that'll be full of colour soon. And there's a clematis sneaking through. Yeah. That honeysuckle there where I planted out of a pot, that's taken off now. That's looking good there in the middle, innit? It's having full sun now, so. I had a big strawberry off this yesterday, a big red one. Not turning yet then. And red hot pokers are just about dying off now. So I'll lock them off soon. They've got a second flush of flowers. This one's not yet, but they're coming on. And carnations have got a second flush. I popped that in there out of, it was in there, tucked in. So I brought it out at sun and it's looking better. Can't remember the name of that either. There's a penstemon in there. There it is. But it's all down there. So that'll be flowering soon. This is already flowered and we've got pea pods on it. Excuse me, so I don't know what that's all about. Nothing on this lucifer yet, but it won't be long because they're nice and thick now then. So there'll be a flower stalk in there somewhere. And that's about it. That honeysuckle is not started off yet. But that clematis that's over that side, that's a blue one, that. There it is. There you go. That pond's still clear up because I put some chemical in, green away. So tomorrow, hopefully, should be clear. But it's getting there slowly. That's about it. Nothing else growing on. These lupins are coming on now. They're doing okay. So there you go. So tomorrow it's on allotment. So I'll see you there in the morning. It'll be a magic doorway. Come out of this and it'll be out of the shed doorway. See you in the morning. Magic. Back. Oh, where Henry is. Where's he gone? Oh, there he is. at these beasts. We've got 5, what do they call them? Leafers. 5 leafers now, there he is, the man himself.
Lovely.
Water bearer. Simply lovely. Yeah. All looking okay. After 3 days away. Boom. Lovely day though, isn't it? Yeah.
Do they want feeding this weekend, these, mate?
Friday today, yeah, I'll do them tomorrow.
Right.
I did them Saturday last week, didn't I?
We might come on tomorrow afternoon. Fucking doing the careless. Because we're back tomorrow night. I don't think it's taken a better roast part yet. There's all in it.
Ooh. Hole in a roast part.
It's down the bottom part too. So when we come to the day, I was using finger, and now I'm using finger work for this. Oh, wait.
Long way down to there too, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. The rages though.
Huh?
That tap, I'll roll down, once it switch it on. I'll roll down to bottom.
Nice one. We'll get some sticks in these peppers.
Yeah, you definitely.
Yeah.
Especially this one.
That one, leaning over. Hey, Barry Astor. It's taller than Barry now, that, isn't it? Yeah, I'll get some sticks and I'll make some food ready for tomorrow.
When I come up to the day, as we were coming back, Barry was walking down, he must have been going to see if Terry were on the nose.
Yeah.
And I looked again, and I see Clive under his neck and weeding. I said, Barry's there. I said, and Clive. I said, come, make a right turn. I said, come down here. And as we're coming down, middle, Barry's going back up.
So missed him. You're tight on Barry. Poor Barry. Look at them tomatoes in there. Bloody hell. Well, these figs are still growing.
Yeah. I put some things in there, Nick, where them carrots are not doing the beetroot.
Oh, beetroot, yeah.
I put
God, this needs cutting off, doesn't it? Oh!
spaces, and I put some up there in spaces.
Nice one. You chop this down today a bit. Looking right, innit, though? Yeah. Yeah, chop them ends off. Well, pumpkins on, yeah. Plenty of flowers. There's one dropped off. Ah?
There's one up there.
Where?
Pumpkin. It's just coming out.
Oh, there, yeah. There you go. There you go, right at end. That's on end rod, isn't it?
Yeah.
That should be a good one, that. We'll chop that off there now.
Right.
Just right size that then to end it bed.
Right.
All I do is put that inwards, because when pumpkin grows it'll be there, won't it?
Right.
So let's bend that inwards and cut it off. Belting, that's one anyway. No, two, there's one at the end of that one as well.
Oh, coming on.
Should be one at the end of each stalk there. Belting.
Flower coming in, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what pumpkin, won't it? There's female flowers, aren't there? Not fit to the way about.
That leaf here, flower.
Yeah. Belting. Chop that off in a minute. Let's have a look at that greenhouse. Whoa! George, I pulled that string on last week, but it wasn't really pulled it down, hasn't it? He's just pulling across. Oh, I'll tell you what, it's undone on that end.
What's this one?
Yeah. Pulled across, isn't it? Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Alright.
Just have to go up as a...
Alright, I got...
Yeah, that'll do. So keep it off path.
Yeah.
You probably need them on anyway when they start getting this 3 ton, because they're going to be heavy on this side.
True, isn't it? Yeah.
That's why these have been all good in there. Bush tomatoes. You wouldn't be able to move, would you? Aye. It's on that grapevine where it should be going.
I've got a couple in here for you to eat.
Nice one.
Tomatoes forever.
Forever and ever. Right, I'm going to get my clippers and cut them off.
And then coming on, mate, can they?
We've got tassels coming on this week, on. So they're all starting off. There you go. We've just found some that Colorado, whatever it's called. Bulbing up at the bottom. Oleola. We'll see if we've got any. Where? Have we? Ah, cucumbers everywhere. Oh yeah, there. Big in there. Yeah.
Let's get a bit more string and tie it up.
I got it tied up. Right on that other one now.
I'm not linked on that one.
That should be. There's right on that one, yeah. These tomatoes. Oof. All the collies, but big slug. Ah, get off. No little collies yet. Hang on, that's a big one. What's that one? Just about starting it middle there. Should be okay. We've got a couple of cabbage in there, haven't we? That's a cabbage, isn't it? Is that a cabbage? No, that's a collie. I think these two are under cabbage. Yeah, definitely. Pointed cabbage then. Oh, got some broccoli heads on. There you go. Broccoli that looks like Romanesco to me. Where'd these broccoli come from, Henry? Where's these broccoli come from? Did we grow them from seed?
From full green.
Look like Romanesco to me, these. Yeah, like a drill bit in the middle. That's Romanesco, that. That doesn't look like broccoli to me. It might be, I might be wrong, but... Oh. No, never mind. Plenty of cabbage anyway. No, they're just curling up at the middle. We've got some heads on that broccoli. If it is broccoli. Yeah, well, they both grow the same then, don't they? They've all got heads on, but they look like... They all look like broccoli heads, do they?
Well,
Well, Romanesco is like... It's like a round, goes to a point like a drill bit.
Right.
Still the same, it's same stuff, but it's like a mixture between cauliflower and broccoli, isn't it? Romanesco.
To a point, isn't it?
Yeah, they're like a drill bit. You know, that's broccoli on that. Here's calabrese, it says.
Ah.
So that's still the same, innit? Broccoli, calabrese, but we'll have a see. If it's Romanesco, good, because I tried to grow that 2 years hot trot and not been able to do it. I've never tasted it, me, so. Ah, what tassels are on here?
Taste this year then, aren't we?
Yeah,
All round stuff down there.
loads of new stuff. There. We're off. We're off. We can't water up because Henry's watered up. And my asparagus peas are looking okay. And that cucumber is off terry from last week. Oh, got a few more cucumbers on here too. There's another one. Well, that's doing okay, I've just strung it back up. Ethan won't go and get my scissors for cut them off. These peppers are getting a bit big now, so what I've done, I've just put a steak in them. And I'm just going to tie them to a steak. Same because that one's flopping over, can you see that? So if it gets any fruit on that, it'll just snap. So what I'll do is just tie it to that steak there. Just give it a bit of support. Support, should I say. I've just cut that pumpkin off. Sorry about the sound, I've not brought my mark up, I've left it at home. I've just cut all ends off pumpkin now. So that one there, obviously coming over the end there, but I've bent it back in. And we've got a pumpkin there. That one, we've got a little pumpkin on there. And that's nothing, yeah, that's just a little one starting there. So, might get 3 decent sized pumpkins on there. I think it's brew time. Now I'm trimming these tomatoes down again, because all this here under the fruit is no use, no ornament, and it's just taking food off the fruit, plus it's stopping airflow from growing. From growing out plants, sorry, not growing. So all them come off. And I've done them once, these. But as the plant grows up, obviously just leave one underneath your fruit, just one leaf. There's the fruit, one leaf under. That's all it needs. And then you get all that airflow underneath. And there's your fruit. These are not so bad. This one here. I don't even know where our fruit is. Oh, that's what I'll take that off to that. Take that one off there. There you go. There's our fruit. So, just getting rid of all that unnecessary green, because all it's doing is taking food and water from the rest of the plant. That one. That's alright. And also, what I'll do now is I'll leave 2 leaves on the bottom one, and take the end off. Just to take a bit less food off the... Just take the end 3 leaves off. Leave 2 on the bottom ones. And there you go. They're done again. So now all them leaves will have took off the bottom there. I'm not taking the food off these. Do you know what I mean? So they'll get it up there now, straight to that. Bypassing that one there. You have to have that one as well, sorry. So it's into that leaf and into the... You know what I mean? 1 leaf, truss. 1 leaf, truss. Now my wants doing that. That and that need coming off. And if you do this, they'll start stretching upwards. They won't get bunched up as much because it's putting upwards growth instead of outwards. So that one wants to come off. Thought this side was okay. There's a leaf, so that one can come off there. And while we've done that, we've found a double header. So there you go, 1 leaf, truss of tomatoes. And it's all okay now. I'll just give them a feed. I was going to feed them tomorrow, but I fed them. It doesn't make no difference today. I did them Saturday last week, but it's not critical. There you go. Looking splendid. Full of tomatoes. And looked on, oh yeah, I've got tomatoes on this. Oh, that's sun gold again. There you go. Sun gold showing the way. There you go in the middle. You really. That's got 2 there. In fact, it's got 3, so I'll take 3 of them off watch. Really. That can come off there. And that one going that way. There. There you go. So now 1 leaf, 1 truss. It's not that leaf curl to it, should do. There you go again, took all that out again. And they still look bushy. But they'll be the better for it. Get stronger plants and better fruit. So off in the bin with that. Kettle for me. Nice peaceful brew. Listening to birds chattering. Just been looking at these strawberries here, and them white ones. What these are, the white on the outside, and they've got red pips, red seeds on. And there they go, pure white. They're weird, but they're red inside. Yeah, do like that strawberry patch down there. They're growing a lot better in there though. There wasn't that many on when there was in the strawberry patch. See them's them. They're weird, they taste good. I think they're called strawberries and cream. Next week there'll be some on there, some white ones. Got millions on here. Well, I wouldn't say millions, but got a good few. Got a lot more red ones on here too. So anyone wants to get some of them off Sunday. I took a bag the other day. There's loads on. Everywhere. Some weird shaped ones, look at that one. Mad as that. There you go. And these sweet peas that we got off Steve Piper have got pea pods on, not flowers. So it's obviously some kind of pea plant, not sweet pea, but we'll have them. Waste not, want not, but cheers, Steve. We're not smelling them, but we'll be eating them. Yeah, loads on, mate. Definitely pea pods. Not sweet peas. These are sweet peas. Definitely. Well, them are not. So he sold us a Joey, Steve. Well, give us a Joey. Now we'll wrap the roast pipe up and have my brew. I'll go have this brew, this fag, and moseying off home. See if that pond's cleared up any. And hopefully I should have a brand new granddaughter, because Kim's in hospital. She's 2 weeks overdue with baby, so they were starting her off last night, so hopefully. I've not heard nothing yet, but I'll give him a ring when I get home, see what's happening. Fill a ring. Anyway, that'll do for this morning. See you later.